a fever in my mind that's burning, leaves me dreaming in the middle of the day. I close my eyes and can almost kill the hunger pain. Try to ignore it, but my thoughts won't move. How can I fight it when I dare to lose? Faster I fall, the closer I am to you. If you want mine for keeps, just don't wake me when I sleep. That's a world of our own. There's a beat inside my chest that's aching, keeps me pleading for a little relief. So I get